In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello account in just 5 minutes. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your projects, tasks, and ideas in a streamlined and visual way. Whether you're managing a team or handling personal projects, Trello can help make your workflow more efficient. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. On the homepage, you'll notice a seamless layout that's inviting and easy to navigate. To get things started, move your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see a button that says Get Trello for free. Go ahead and click on that. It's the doorway to getting you set up and ready to explore the world of Trello without costing a dime. Next, it's time to sign up. Trello makes the process convenient with multiple sign-up options. You can either create a new account using your email and a new password, or to save time, feel free to sign up using existing accounts like Gmail, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Using these platforms allows for a swift single sign-on experience. After you fill in your credentials or select your preferred sign-in method, click on Create Your Account. Trello will prompt you to complete a simple verification process to ensure that you're a human. This step is quick and straightforward, ensuring the security of your new account. Once your account is created, Trello will guide you through a few prompts. These introductory steps will help customize your Trello space according to your needs. If you're working on a specific project or for a particular company, be sure to choose options that align with your work style and objectives. This initial setup helps tailor the Trello experience so that it's most beneficial for you. With your account up and running, you can now start creating boards, workspaces, and more. Trello's intuitive drag and drop interface allows you to organize tasks visually, making it easier to track progress and prioritize your to-do list. Boards are where the magic happens, serving as hubs for different projects or tasks. You can add cards for individual tasks, lists to categorize those tasks, and even set deadlines and reminders. Lastly, once you have your board set up, don't forget to share it with your team members if you're working collaboratively. In the boards menu, there's an option to invite teammates by entering their email addresses. Sharing your board allows everyone involved to stay updated and engaged with the project's progress, fostering a collaborative environment. And there you have it, a fully set up Trello account ready for you to start organizing and managing your life or work projects efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.